Tesla just raised the bar again. The 2026 Model 3 isn't just an update, it's a statement about where electric vehicles are heading, and honestly, the competition should be worried. You're watching Next Gen Reviews, and today we're breaking down everything you need to know about Tesla's latest game changer. Let's get into it. Design. The 2026 Model 3 takes minimalism to the next level. Tesla has refined the exterior lines, making it even more aerodynamic with a redesigned front fascia and sleeker side mirrors. The result? A drag coefficient that's among the best in its class, which translates directly to better range. Inside, the cabin feels more premium than ever, with upgraded materials and improved build quality that addresses previous criticisms. The minimalist dashboard remains, but now everything feels more intentional and refined. Performance. This is where the Model 3 truly shines. The base model delivers instant torque that makes merging and passing effortless, while the performance variant hits 60 in just over 3 seconds. But it's not just about straight-line speed. The handling is phenomenal. The low center of gravity from the battery pack keeps it planted through corners, and the adaptive suspension makes every drive feel connected yet comfortable. Features and technology. Tesla's full self-driving capability continues to evolve, and the 2026 model comes with enhanced hardware for even better autonomous features. The updated infotainment system is faster and more intuitive. Range has improved too. Expect up to 340 miles on a single charge for the long-range model. Plus, access to Tesla's extensive supercharger network makes road trips genuinely practical. Conclusion. The 2026 Tesla Model 3 sets a new standard for electric sedans. It's fast, efficient, and packed with technology that feels straight out of the future. What's your take on the new Model 3? Let us know in the comments. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, share it with anyone considering going electric, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more in-depth automotive content. Thanks for watching.